In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the chart of accounts in QuickBooks. For many of you, organizing your business financials is crucial to understanding and managing your finances effectively. QuickBooks provides a simple yet comprehensive method for setting up and viewing your chart of accounts, which is an essential component for keeping your accounts organized. So let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to navigate to QuickBooks, our trusted platform for all things accounting. You can go directly to their homepage and log into your account. If you're not already familiar with this process, simply enter your login credentials and you'll be in no time. Being on the homepage is your starting point for accessing many of QuickBooks' powerful features. Once you're logged in and at the QuickBooks homepage, the next step is to look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the settings icon. It might look like a little gear or cog. Clicking on this icon will open a drop-down menu with several different options. This settings area is the central hub for managing various aspects of your QuickBooks account, so you'll become quite familiar with visiting it as you use the software more and more. Now that you've clicked on the settings icon, the next step is to navigate through the drop-down choices and select Chart of Accounts. This option is fundamental because it's where you'll organize and categorize all your company's financial transactions. Think of this as the blueprint or roadmap of your business's financial structure. Having a well-organized chart of accounts makes it much easier to keep track of individual account balances and ensure everything lines up as it should. Once you're on the Chart of Accounts page, you'll see a list of all your current accounts. These might include bank accounts, income accounts, expense accounts, and others relevant to your business. Here, you'll also have the ability to add new accounts or edit existing ones to ensure all aspects of your business are adequately covered. This customization allows you to tailor your financial setup to best fit the unique needs of your company, making your accounting and bookkeeping tasks that much smoother. Remember, keeping your chart of accounts up to date is essential as it underpins all your accounting efforts in QuickBooks. Regularly reviewing and adjusting it as your business grows can save you a lot of time and headaches in the long run. With these steps, setting up your chart of accounts in QuickBooks isn't just straightforward, but also sets the foundation for accurate and organized financial management. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you feel more confident as you dive into using QuickBooks for your business.